Okay, so I'm away on a holiday, just about ready to go home, and the awning won't fully retract. It goes about 1 metre short, or just over 1 metre short. But I've worked out what to do. Okay, to do this job, we just need 2 tools. The first being a little flathead screwdriver like this, and that is simply to pop the end cap off. That gives us access to the little socket connection inside the awning. This is a picture of the little end cap that we pop off with the screwdriver. It's quite easy to do. And the second tool is a socket wrench with the little extension piece, a 3/8 size. So that little square is 3/8 of an inch. We pop that onto the end of the socket. We'll be rotating anti-clockwise, which will wind the awning in. So you just set it so that the ratchet takes the strain in an anti-clockwise direction. And that will bring our awning back in manually. I'll just climb up the ladder here now. So if anyone else has this problem, so I've popped the end cap off, and you can see in there's a little square piece, and this is a 3/8 size square. You can see it fits perfectly in here. So now you can see that I'm manually winding the awning in, which is a relief because I thought I was stuffed. So that's good. Anyone has this problem, make sure you've got a 3/8 socket connection, the little square connection point. And it looks like I'm winding the awning in manually. So if that happens to anyone out there, you know what to do. And there we go. After winding with that little socket set, I managed to get it 99.9% all the way in. But there's a little gap there, but for some reason it won't click in properly, but I think that's okay to drive. A lot better than it was before anyway. Alright, happy days. Look, on a final note, I just wanted to add that I bought this little socket wrench with 3/8 extension piece at Bunnings for around $20. It was one of the cheapest ones there, but it certainly does the job. I highly recommend anyone with a Carefree electric awning buy the same thing, because it will get you out of trouble if you find yourself in the same circumstances that I did. Okay, thanks for watching.